Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting math problem which is a to the power 4 is equal to a minus 1 bracket power is 4 a is equal to what? How to solve this interesting math question. So first of all, you can easily here is exponent is same, so it will be a is equal to a minus 1. Then if I move on this a in this side, it will be 0. 0 is not is equal to negative 1. So you can solve this question this method. So how to solve this interesting math question? So our math solution here, a to the power 4 minus, if I move on this below in this side, it will be a minus 1 bracket power is 4 is equal to 0. I just move on this below in this side, it will be negative sign. Then at this moment I want to apply this formula. It will be a square minus b square. It will be a plus b times a minus b. If I apply this math formula here, so it will be a square bracket power is 2 minus, then it will be a minus 1 whole to the power 2 bracket power is 2 is equal to 0. Now you can see here is a is equal to a square, b is equal to a minus 1 whole square. So it will be a square minus b square. So we know that a square minus b square, it will be a plus b. And we know that it will be a minus b. A minus b is equal to 0. Now here a square, then you can see it will be a minus b whole square. It will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then here same case, a square, then minus, then it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to 0. Then you can say easily here a square it will be 2a square minus 2a plus 1 times, and it will be a square plus minus, it will be minus a square minus minus, it will be plus 2a plus minus, it will be minus 1 is equal to 0. Then here 2a square minus 2a plus 1 times this cancel out, we'll find out it will be 2a minus 1 is equal to 0. So we'll find out here is two case. Our first case this, second case is this. I take this below here, so it will be 2a minus 1 is equal to 0, and here 2a square minus 2a plus 1 equal to 0. Then here 2a is equal to 1. Then if I divide both sides by 2 to cancel out, we'll find out a is equal to 1 over 2. This is our final answer. A is equal to half. But here x is equal to what? I mean a is equal to what? So you can see here a is equal to 2. If I compare this equation by quadratic equation, here is a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to 1. Then here a is equal to minus b. b is negative 2, so I take negative 2 here, plus or minus, then square root b square. b is minus 2 whole square minus 4ac, a is 2 and c is 1 over 2a. Then here a, it will be minus minus plus 2 plus minus square root 2 to the power 2, it will be 4 minus 8 over 2 times a, it will be 2, and here is 2. Here is a is equal to 2. Then you can see here a, it will be 2 plus or minus square root minus 4, then over 4. 2 times 2 will be 4. Then here a, it will be 2 plus or minus square root negative 4, it will be 2i. It is a complex number, this is 2. And if I separate this fraction, we'll find out our final solution. A is equal to 1 over 2. I take here is 2 is common, then plus or minus, then it will be 1 over 2i. This is our final solution in this math problem. We will find out other solution. A is equal to 1 over 2. Thank you all. If you enjoy this math Olympiad question, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.